legendary trucks, one brutal battleground. In the most extreme trucking conditions on Earth, only the strongest survive. Kenworth and Mack have dominated Australia's trucking industry for decades, but which one is truly the king of the Outback? Which truck handles Australia's scorching heat better? Which one hauls the heaviest road trains across thousands of miles? And which one do Aussie truckies swear by? Before we settle this showdown, let us know in the comments, are you Team Kenworth or Team Mack? The Australian Outback isn't just a place, it's a proving ground where only the toughest machines survive. We're talking scorching 120-degree heat, dust storms that can choke an engine in minutes, and roads that are more punishment than pavement. If a truck isn't built to handle extreme conditions, it simply won't last. That's why Australian truckers demand the best. Trucks that can haul massive loads across thousands of miles without breaking down. But which truck is the true king of the Outback? Two names stand above the rest, Kenworth and Mack. These two brands have battled for decades, but today we're putting them head to head. Which one conquers the Outback better? Which one keeps Aussie truckers rolling without a hitch? And more importantly, which one would you trust to haul a 200-ton road train across the toughest roads on Earth? Kenworth has long been a dominant force in the Australian trucking scene, earning its reputation through decades of real-world performance. The company first set foot in Australia in the 1960s, bringing with it a commitment to rugged durability and customization that truckers loved. One of the biggest reasons Kenworth remains a top choice in the Outback is its ability to tailor trucks to the unique needs of each driver. Whether it's a fully customized T909 designed for long hauls or the mighty C509 built for the heaviest road trains, Kenworth trucks are designed to take a beating and keep going. The engineering behind Kenworth trucks is a major selling point. Their frames are built to withstand extreme pressure with reinforced steel and high tensile materials that keep them from buckling under the weight of multiple trailers. The suspension systems are fine-tuned to handle the brutal terrain of the Outback, ensuring a smooth ride even on unpaved roads. Inside the cabin, Kenworth trucks are designed with long-haul comfort in mind. Drivers get spacious interiors, ergonomic seating, and advanced technology that makes life on the road easier. For those spending days or even weeks behind the wheel, these features make a world of difference. Kenworth also dominates in the power department. The brand primarily uses PACCAR MX series engines, offering configurations that range from 380 horsepower to a jaw-dropping 600-plus horsepower for their most extreme models. These engines are designed not just for power, but also for efficiency, using advanced fuel injection systems and aerodynamic enhancements to improve mileage. When you're hauling massive loads over thousands of kilometers, every drop of fuel counts, and Kenworth trucks are built to stretch every liter as far as possible. While Kenworth might be the more dominant name in Australia, Mack has been quietly carving out its own loyal following. Known for its bulldog tough durability, Mack trucks have been rolling across Australia for nearly a century, proving that brute strength can stand the test of time. Mack's approach to truck building is simple. Make them strong, make them reliable, and make them last. And in the punishing heat of the Outback, that's exactly what truckers need. Mack trucks are powered by the company's own MP series engines, offering horsepower ranging from 325 to over 500. While Mack may not always match Kenworth's high-end power numbers, what it lacks in brute force, it makes up for in reliability. Mack engines are built with fewer moving parts than some of their competitors, which means there's less that can go wrong. Less downtime for repairs means more time on the road, and for truckers, that's money in the bank. Another area where Mack stands out is fuel efficiency. Mack's MP8 and MP10 engines have been designed with a focus on getting the most out of every gallon of diesel. With features like turbo compounding technology, Mack engines can capture and reuse lost energy, boosting efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. When you're crossing the Outback, where fuel stops are few and far between, that extra efficiency can be a game changer. Inside the cabin, Mack trucks are all about function. They may not have the same level of luxury as some Kenworth models, but they are designed for long-haul comfort. The interiors are practical with well-placed controls, plenty of storage, and a straightforward layout that keeps everything within reach. Mack also prides itself on durability, not just under the hood, but inside the truck as well. The materials used in Mack interiors are built to withstand constant use, whether it's from the blazing heat or the wear and tear of long-haul drives. Engine power and torque. Kenworth, with its PACCAR engines, often delivers higher horsepower options, making it the go-to choice for truckers hauling extremely heavy loads. Mack, on the other hand, keeps its focus on efficiency and longevity. While Mack engines might not always be the most powerful, they are known for their ability to maintain consistent performance over hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Fuel efficiency. When it comes to fuel economy, Mack might have the edge. Their focus on reducing drag and optimizing engine performance means Mack trucks often get more kilometers per liter of fuel. Kenworth trucks, while powerful, can be thirstier, especially when pulling massive road trains through extreme conditions. Comfort and cabin features. Kenworth wins in the luxury department. The brand's high-end models come with features like leather seats, touchscreen infotainment systems, and fully customizable sleeping compartments. Mack, while comfortable, leans more toward practical design. The interiors are rugged and built for durability, which some truckers prefer over a more high-tech experience. Reliability and repairs. Both brands are built for durability, but Mack's simplified engine design means fewer breakdowns and easier repairs. Kenworth, while reliable, has more complex components that can lead to higher maintenance costs. However, Kenworth's dealer network is extensive, making it easier to find parts and service in remote areas. At the end of the day, the real test comes from those who drive these trucks day in and day out. So what do Aussie truckers say? While Kenworth holds a larger market share in Australia, many drivers swear by Mack's legendary durability and efficiency. Kenworth fans argue that the brand's power and customization options make it the clear winner for the toughest jobs. Mack supporters counter that their trucks simply last longer with fewer issues over time. So which one is the true king of the Outback? Well, that's where you come in. Are you Team Kenworth with its raw power and high-tech features? Or are you Team Mack, trusting in the Bulldog's unshakable durability and fuel efficiency? Drop your pick in the comments and let us know which truck you think rules the Australian Outback. If you enjoyed this showdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic trucking content. We've got plenty more head-to-head battles, deep dives into the world's toughest trucks, and behind-the-scenes looks at the machines that keep the world moving. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.